Hi everyone, welcome back to Freeway Studio. Today we are checking out the Redmi Buds 5C, Xiaomi's budget TWS. Few months after its launch, are they still worth your money or should you skip them? Let's find out. Starting with the design. The Redmi Buds 5C comes in a minimal matte finished case with the rounded design. It's very easy to carry and slip into your pockets. The buds themselves are stem style with silicone tips giving you that snug-in air fit. They are super lightweight and comfortable even for long listening sessions. This is available in multiple color variants. I'm having the white one. Other colors are symphony blue and acoustic black. In the case outside you can see there is a LED indicator for charge and connectivity notifications. Bottom there is a Type-C port for charging, and next to it there is a reset button. On the back there is only Redmi brand is printed. Once you open the case, the buds don't fall out of the case. Even if you shake it hard, it's well magnetized. Now let's talk about features. These buds comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and Google Fast Pair on Android phones. So as soon as you open, the Android phones will detect it automatically with no time. And if your phones are not having a Bluetooth 5.3, still you can connect with this by touch and hold the reset button. The LED indicator will blink. That means it is ready to pair with any devices. So after that you can connect with any of your older version of Bluetooth even. It will work very fine. So it will be connecting one device at a time. Brand says Xiaomi phones will enable the dual connectivity of these buds. We didn't tested it out, but it is in the side. Touch controls are very minimal here. Single touch to receive the calls or reject the calls. Double tap to audio or pause. Triple tap to next track. And touch and hold for noise cancellation. Those are working very good. I will give you some sample audio clips for your consideration. So from this environment we are going to use the TWS.
How is the record is going on with this noise reduction enabled. I'm muting for a few minutes so you will know how much noise you are hearing. Now I'm cancelling this noise cancellation and putting into the transparency mode. Now in myself I can hear the surrounding sounds, but I don't know how about the other end receiving.
The touch controls are customizable with the Xiaomi Earbuds app by scanning the QR code in the manual, or you can download it straight away from Play Store as well. So now comes to the sound. The Redmi Buds 5C are surprisingly good for the price. You get 12.4mm dynamic drivers. It's delivering a decent bass. In the mids also very balanced and very clear vocals, guys. You will enjoy the music on hours, and the buds are very comfortable to wear. You can select one of the 5 sound profiles. Also you can customize the sound using the EQ. For the noise cancellation it is giving a 40 dB AI noise cancellation for calls, and it's very decent. On the other end they are receiving very clear voice. The battery life, 10 minutes you can charge to playback time of 2 hours. So that sounds good. But when you think of old, the case to be charged 7 hours to play for 36 hours of playback time. So you have to charge overnight. If we see the quick pros and cons, the pros are affordable price. It's a very decent sound for casual use. Battery life is solid. Cons are dual connectivity, not for all the devices. Touch controls can be hit or miss at times. So, should you buy the Redmi Buds 5C? If you are on a tight budget and want a reliable, good sounding earbuds with essential features, these are a great pick. They are not very fancy, but they get the job done. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews coming your way. See you until the next one. Bye bye.